Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta. How are you all? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am sharing the screen with you all. Give me a minute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shivansh, Beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta.
Ma'am, I had some doubts in history.
Hanji, Beta, you can always ask.
Yes, ma'am. When the second Duma or the third Duma was packed with conservatives,
Third Duma was packed with conservatives.
okay, ma'am. And ma'am,
Pucho?
ma'am, if in exam it comes, which is the Parliament of Russia, ma'am, what will be like? Ma'am,
Duma.
Duma or okay,
Duma,
ma'am.
Duma.
Okay, ma'am.
You will write Duma only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and what?
He was asking that if in exam the question comes, what is the name of the Russian parliament, then what we have to write? I said Duma you have to write. Good afternoon, Parush Beta.
All right, ma'am.
And ma'am, there's a line in the Civil War.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay, I am sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am, I found it.
Yes, beta, बताइए.
Ma'am, the line is, but the liberals as well as socialists among them work towards an elected government. मैम प्रोफेशनल गवर्नमेंट की बात हो रही है. मैम इस सेंटेंस का मतलब नहीं समझ में आया.
एक मिनट में बुक खोलूं.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am on page number 36 under the heading after February, second line.
Okay, 36 after February, huh? Just a minute. But the liberals as well as socialists among them work towards it. इसमें क्या समझ नहीं आया? They wanted an elected government. That's it.
Ma'am, means liberals and the socialists also supported the provisional government.
नहीं, they wanted an elected government where the
Okay, ma'am.
representatives are chosen by the people through the universal
Okay,
electoral.
ma'am.
Right?
And when there is another line, when the line is, however, the possibility of a workers' state fired people's imagination across the world. Ma'am, what is the meaning of this?
Where is it written? Last line, last paragraph. Where is it written, beta?
Ma'am, on page number 46, under the heading, the global influence of the Russian Revolution in USSR.
USSR, Hanji.
And the second line.
Achha. However, the possibility of a workers' state fired people's imagination across the world. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha. Workers, you know why this Russian Revolution happened? You know about this?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
and
ma'am.
what were the reasons for the beginning of this Russian Revolution? We all know about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So here they are talking about that though in Russia, like whatever happened in Russia, people did not approve of that. But they are talking about those countries, those places where the workers were in large number. There they said that, however, the possibility of a workers' state fired people's imagination across the world. all those who were there, the workers, the working class which was there, especially they got, they got an idea that they can go for a revolution if they want that the country, that the rulers should, accept their norms and conditions. So here they are trying to say that the idea of whatever happened under Russian Revolution, people were, inspired by that, right?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा. Yes,
ma'am,
बोलो.
I want to ask some things in, ma'am, the chapter of socialism, ma'am. Can I ask?
Yes, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, that what is the meaning of a provisional government?
Anyone in the class who could tell me this, what is meant by provisional government?
Ma'am, it was a government formed by the leaders of Duma and the Petrograd Soviet.
हाँ.
Ma'am, to rule the country.
To rule the country. This is what is meant
No,
by.
ma'am, no, ma'am. I want to ask, ma'am, that what is actually its function, ma'am? Ma'am, why was it made, ma'am?
To look into the working of the country, to form the government and to work for the people's welfare. Why generally governments are formed for the welfare of the people only, to look into the working of the country's administration and everything. It was formed
Okay,
for that
ma'am.
only.
Yes. And ma'am, what is the meaning of a Soviet, ma'am?
Yes, anyone in the class? What is the meaning of Soviet?
Ma'am, an association. Ma'am, Russian name for association.
Council, basically council. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
और बताइए. Okay. I hope you all can see the screen here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, these are 5 questions, but they are of 3 marks. Kindly answer these questions and send me the answers here on the class group. I want in written. First is, state the verdict of the Nuremberg Tribunal. Why
Ma'am,
did
these are of chapter 3.
Chapter 3, yes, Nazism.
Okay, ma'am.
Then question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. 5 questions you have to answer, right? And by the time I'll see that who all are there.
When we have to do one at a time and send, or all of them together?
Better, that is your choice. One by one, if you will send, I'll be able to check properly. If all together you will send, it will take time, no? So one by one, if you are doing it, it will be easy for me to chalk out the mistakes. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Ma'am,
जी बेटा.
ma'am, when I searched on, ma'am, when I searched on the Google for the provisional government, ma'am, it is given that a provisional government is an emergency government. Ma'am, what is the meaning of
नहीं
this?
नहीं, देखो, अगर रशिया के कंटेक्स्ट में आप पूछते हो तो रशिया के कंटेक्स्ट में प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट वाज फॉर्म्ड बाय द पीपल हु इनिशिएटेड द रेवोल्यूशन इन द कंट्री, है ना? और अगर आप उसके लिटरल मीनिंग में जाओगे तो इमरजेंसी मतलब जब कई बार ऐसा होता है, जब गवर्नमेंट गिर जाती है या गवर्नमेंट का जो है नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन पास हो जाता है, या गवर्नमेंट जो है अपनी वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली नहीं कर पाती है, उसको जो है हटा दिया जाता है, तो इन दैट केस एक जो है एक इमरजेंसी के तौर पे छोटे समय के लिए, थोड़े समय के लिए, जब तक कि गवर्नमेंट दोबारा नहीं बन जाती है, उस समय के लिए जो है एक प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट को बनाया जाता है. ठीक है?
मैम, उस प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट का लीडर कौन होता है?
वो डिपेंड करता है. वैसे तो देखो, जो हमारे जो वो होते हैं, हमारे कंट्री के जो हमारे जो राष्ट्रपति है, प्रेसिडेंट है, वो इस चीज को देखते हैं फिर वर्किंग को, है ना?
ओके मैम.
हाँ. How much time you will take? 15 minutes are sufficient, no, for these 5 answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, I've sent the first answer.
Checking. Is she spelling of humiliation?
Ma'am, what you have written under the humiliation?
Spelling. Spelling is not correct of humiliation, no?
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. We are doing chapter 3, worksheet 1, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in the second question, can we write 3 defects?
Yes, because these are 3 marks only. Good. Good. Good.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Okay. Yes. दिव्यांश का भी आ गया, एक मिनट चेक कर। Divyansh, Germany G has to be capital, not small. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Punished. ठीक है. Good. Taran, were as follows. Taran, are you
Yes,
listening?
ma'am.
Were
Yes, ma'am.
as, are as follows me, were as, were.
All right, ma'am.
Hmm. ठीक है. Proportional representation. Good.
Ma'am, in exams, it is compulsory to give headings to the points.
See, it gives a good weightage to your answer if you are writing headings. It makes your answer impressive. So if not, if you give, that is really very good. If you don't want to give, it is fine. But if you give, it is good.
Ma'am,
Right?
will you reward extra marks for that?
No, why I will report extra marks? It is just that when you are writing the main headings, it gives you an idea. It gives an idea to the teacher that the child knows that how to write the answer and what exactly is to be written in that.
All right, ma'am.
It gives your answer a very good expression. It is done for that only. Like we were taught that you need to write in points, because when we were in school, our teachers, they never used to, they used to cut our marks for not writing main heads. But we don't do it. But it's just that it is good if you write. Okay. Very good, Vyom.
Ma'am, in the second point, ma'am, it will be civic rights or civil rights.
Civil rights भी ठीक है, civic rights भी ठीक है, कोई problem नहीं है, दोनों correct है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Ishi, this is third answer, right? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishi, beta Ishi. Ishi, are you there? Ishi, are you there?
Ma'am,
Bolo beta.
ma'am, in fourth question, ma'am, in desirables, can you, ma'am, tell other than Nordic German Aryans? Ma'am, which can?
Physically handicapped, gypsies,
Ma'am,
undesirable.
but they were
Acha,
undesirable.
sorry. Desirables you were asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Those who were physically fit, they were considered as desirables.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, undesirables, ma'am, it can be Jews, gypsies, and blacks.
Jews, gypsies, those Germans who were not physically fit, who were who had some bodily defect, those people were considered as undesirable in the Nazi Germany.
Ma'am, I
Right?
have a doubt.
हाँ जी तरन पूछो बेटा.
Ma'am, Germans hated Jews because they used to believe that they killed Lord Jesus Christ.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, but the people who are who have dark complexion or gypsies, ma'am, they can serve in army also
They can serve,
because
but
they
as
can be masculine and
Huh.
aggressive.
That is there. But the thing is, when we talk about the Nazi Germany, that the idea that was initiated by Hitler, no, in that we say that because he wanted, pure Germans. See, he desired for a pure German breed. So for in that, when we talk of that pure German wala breed thing, that and the Nazi worldview, if you remember, in that, yes, people wanted the all those who were not pure German breeds, or those who were physically unfit, those who were dark complexioned, they were not considered as desirable by the Nazi Germany, in the Nazi Germany. Otherwise there was no problem, these people serving. But the only thing was that because they wanted that pure Germans should be there, that is why we say that the society was divided into desirables and undesirables. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
दिव्यांश ठीक है. Okay, good. ठीक है, good. Prakhar, Pradyuman, they type present, but they don't attend the class. Is why do they attend other classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They are not there in this class. Why, I don't know. Can you see them in the participants list?
No, ma'am.
They are not there.
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, they're not there.
Hmm. ठीक है. Good. Beta, now we will have class on Monday, right? So Monday, please come along with 2 world maps and at least 3 India maps, political, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We will do the
Okay,
map
ma'am.
practice. We will do the map practice on Monday. Fine.
Ma'am, is my correct answer number
Okay.
4?
I am checking, beta. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
नहीं कर- Beta, physically disabled लिखो Mika. You have to be precise when you are writing this, okay? Physically disabled.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Weimar Republic was earlier known as Germany, ma'am.
Huh, it was Germany only. Physically. बेटा वेमार रिपब्लिक उसको हम क्यों बुलाते हैं, वेमार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्यों बुलाते हैं, हमने आपको बताया था ना कि जिस जगह पे उसका फॉर्मेशन हुआ था गवर्नमेंट का, इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स का, दैट प्लेस वाज वेमार, दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज कॉल्ड एज वेमार रिपब्लिक. ठीक है, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
फाइन. Anything else that you want to know? All 5 answers all have done. Almost everyone has sent the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't understand the last answer. Ma'am.
Which one? बेटा फॉरेन पॉलिसी ऑफ हिटलर, रिकंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हुआ है ना, रिकंस्ट्रक्शन वाला जो टॉपिक है वहां पे दिया है फॉरेन पॉलिसी ऑफ हिटलर.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उसमें दिया हुआ है बेटा.
Ma'am, how many parts were divided after